There are many reasons out there to reset your device, but only a few ways to let you make it. Well, this article will teach you how to reset Samsung tablet, maximizing the protection of your Samsung content while completing a quick and safe resetting. How to factory reset Samsung tablet from settings. Log into the main account, navigate to settings and select factory data reset. Confirm the selection and proceed with the reset. Provide necessary security information if prompted. Tap Delete All to reset and optimize Samsung Galaxy. How to soft reset Samsung tablet. Press and hold the power buttons down until a displayed menu of options appears. Hit the tablet's restart button. Confirm your choice by hitting OK. Press and hold the switch for around 10 seconds. How to hard reset Samsung tablet. Hold volume up plus power plus home buttons until the tab powers off. Release all buttons. Wait for the Samsung logo recovery screen. Use volume up or volume down to navigate. Select wipe data or factory reset. Use home and volume up to confirm the reset. How to reset Samsung Galaxy tablet without password. Press and hold power plus volume down. Press the volume button twice for bootloader menu. Use the power button to select Samsung recovery mode. Choose wipe data or factory reset. Select reboot system now. How to reset Samsung tablet using Find My Mobile. Visit samsungdive.com and sign in. Track your Galaxy tab. Tap Wipe out my mobile on the map. Select factory data reset. View full terms and conditions. I agree to the terms and conditions. Enter your Samsung credentials. Click Wipe Data. Bonus tip: backup Galaxy tablet before resetting. It's better to keep a copy of your Samsung data on separate storage like a PC or Mac for preservations. In this regard, Mobican Backup Manager for Android can be included in your priority.